Welcome to MarineMax of Cross Lake in Nisswa. We're standing here next to a 2025 Premier 270 SuperSport. And when you talk performance, that's what this boat's going to give you. Loaded up with twin 400 horsepower V10 Mercuries. We're going to give you a look here at some new features on this SuperSport, including this blackout Eclipse package, all the skirt molding, the rails, the badging, everything is completely blacked out accents. We can also see we have this new Lux Tower Arch, giving you a really nice aesthetic look. Circling back around to the stern, we have our twin V10 400 horsepower Mercury Granados. And our most favorite thing about the twin engine is exclusively the ricochet ladder staircase. This is very, very easy when you are swimming down here, whether it's pets or anybody getting up onto the boat. It's a very simple entrance inside your 270 SuperSport. Let's hop aboard. As we enter the stern here of the 270 SuperSport, you're going to notice a very wide, expansive transom swim platform area, giving you just loads of room back here when you're jumping off, doing some swimming with the family. As we enter the back of the boat here, we have plenty of room for your crew with these two really, really long rear couches. This is the Ultra Fabric upgraded interior on the SuperSport. As we noticed before, we have the Lux Tower Arch. That is an electric power folding arch. With the push of the button, it's going to go all the way down for your bridges or your shore station type boat lifts. Coming to the consoles, obviously this is one of the most unique things about the Premier twin engine SuperSport. You have your deluxe twin consoles. The passenger has his or her own chair, nice little comfort spot. We have a flat surface here, which I like to double as a table if we want to make snacks up there and have their own little convenience center. You got that. And here at the captain station, Premier puts the captain first with a 12-inch very clear visible Simrad, easy to use steering wheel remote control so you can control the boat while you're underway. And we have our wireless cell phone charger as well. Moving over to our right, where we're going to kick in the 800 horsepower, you have your dual binnacle controls along with our JPO Mercury joystick. This is what's going to make this boat easy to dock, pull away from docks, move it sideways, or utilize the skyhook feature, which with Mercury's JPO skyhook keeps you in one spot anchored if you're waiting for the gas dock or waiting for a parking spot. Exclusively awesome setup here on this 270 SuperSport. Let's go check out the front. As we go through our console, you're going to notice our closing windshield, keeping this nice and protected, much like a runabout speedboat. As we move to the bow, this particular boat has the optional port door, which we can exit and enter from the port side. You can option this boat with a full-length couch, giving you those variations, which is very nice of Premier to do. Over the last couple of years, we've made our ski locker door much larger. As you can see, we have our table nicely stored in there, making the ski locker door larger so we can put larger items in and out without struggling with our storage items. Up to my right, we have this very long, expansive couch. This is going to give you extra storage space here. We've got our mobile cup holders that allow us to put those anywhere. I really like how these seats fold this way. We can open them, put stuff in and out without having the seat interrupt our putting away of storage. So that's the 270 SuperSport. Plenty of room for your friends, plenty of power on the back with these twin 400 V10s. And don't forget the exclusive Premier Supercharged PTX package, powering this boat on the lake as you go cruising into the sunset.